So over here, you can see that I have a file right here, an animation in Adobe After Effects. So let's say what I want to do now is I want to go ahead and send this particular file into Adobe Media Encoder. I can actually save the file and open up in Adobe Media Encoder separately, but I can directly send it as well. So to do that, I simply need to go to File and then go around over here onto Export. And here you can see that Add to Adobe Media Encoder queue is an option. Simply go ahead and click, and Adobe Media Encoder will load up. So you can see that it is loading up right here, even if it is closed. And in a while, you'll be able to see the queue of the project in Adobe Media Encoder. So over here, you can see now now this particular file has been directly loaded up right here in Adobe Media Encoder. So that is how you can go ahead and send your project right here that you have directly into Adobe Media Encoder from After Effects, so that you can go ahead and manage the encoding in Adobe Media Encoder itself. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.